Hello everyone, today we're going to install Windows Server 2012. So I'm going to start by putting the ISO in, hitting start to boot from CD or DVD. I'll put in the bottom, I did another video before on how to download it for free for 120 days trial version. At any rate, it's very similar to installing Windows 2008. I'll just briefly walk through the steps on how to install this. You'll find it's much easier to work with, much more dynamic. It looks a little different than Windows 2008. This looks more high tech, basically. So, and you also notice the difference here. So this one here, this server core, that one is basically like a command line installation, whereas this one's like a next, a GUI, which is very nice. I may do a video later on that, on how to install it using the Windows. Yeah, so we're going to install it on this partition here, the 24 gigabyte roughly partition, and this is going to take about 20-25 minutes, something like that. I'll come back when it's complete. Okay, after a restart, it's going to prompt you to type in a password. And if you have a hard time figuring out what to type for a password, you can go to a website called www.thebitmill.com. I'll put it down in the description. Click finish. Now we're ready. So, VirtualBox is a little different. You have to do that number. Let's see here. Okay. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and have a great day.